Well guys, happy Saturday. Kyle pulled his G-tube out last night, or this morning sometime. He usually doesn't pull it, it kind of gets caught on something. Anyway, so here's a new one right here. I had to like go search a box to find it because I only get them every other month or every third month, and so he screams and has a fit, and this is going to be interesting to get this back in. So if you've never seen a G-tube, this is all it is. This little part right here goes into his stomach. This little bottom piece has a balloon that inflates. You can see that? It just inflates with water. And that is all that holds it in his stomach. So over time, this leaks a little bit, it kind of loses the water, and then it'll come out easier. So that's probably the issue. You can see right there, there's the hole in his stomach where the G-tube is supposed to be. And it hasn't been out long because the hole's still kind of open, but he like has a fit with putting this back in. So I'm not sure how well this is gonna work. Can you sit right here by mommy? Can you sit right here by mommy? Can you sit right here by mommy? He's not gonna like this. The dog? All right, put your feet out. Put your feet out. Put your other foot out. Let's show our friends what a big boy... I know, look there. Let's show them what a big boy you are. Scoot up here. It's okay, you help me. You help me. You help me. You do it. Kyle, do it. You do it. You do it. You do it. Can you do it for mommy? You help me. There you go. That's right. Put it in. No, you can do it. You want mommy to do it? Put it in. Put it in your belly. Yeah, put it in your belly. It's okay. It'll be real fast. You want it to be real fast? How fast? Count to 5 and we'll probably be done. Move your arm. Move your arm and count to 5. Do you want to go to the hospital? No? Okay. See, this is the problem. I just need more hands. Because I only have 2. I only have 2 hands. How many hands do you have? No, just sit up. Sit up. We're okay. Arms up to Jesus. Arms up. Let's sing a song. What do you want to sing? You want to sing a song in there? What song do you want to sing in there? Patty cake? And then what else? And then the ABCs? And then what? See, he's blocking his belly because I can't get to it because of his arms. And then what? Look, I'm just holding it here. I'm just holding it here. So then I just have to literally... Ow, 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 ow! You're pinching me. Sit up. Sit up. This is how it goes. Sit up. You put this in your belly. You put this... Where's the other one? Where's your old one? Oh, I need some reinforcements. Where's the old belly? Jacob? Where is Jacob? Where is Jacob? Is he at school? You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Jacob's at school? Is he playing soccer? Stop. Tell me what Jacob's doing. He's playing soccer? Don't kick. Don't kick. Don't kick. Don't kick. Look, you're shaking the camera. And what's Jacob going to do tomorrow? Is tomorrow going to be Mother's Day? Stop. You put it in. We got to put it right there. See, look. Look, I'm just touching your belly. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up big. Sit up big. You know how this is going to work, right? Literally. Here, you sit right here. There we go. You sit with mommy. Aw, you sit with mommy? Are you sitting with mommy? Aw, are you sitting with mommy? No pinching. No pinching. Your hands are so slobbery. If you would just hold still, I'd be all done. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Almost all done. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Yeah, that's a good boy. It's a little closed up. It's not going in very easy. That is a good boy. Sometimes I have to take the tip of the syringe and just kind of dilate that stoma a little bit. And then it will usually work a little bit easier. Good job, Kyle. Good job. Almost all done. Almost all done. No, not yet. Hold on. I know. This stomach tissue seals up pretty fast, so hold on. We're not all done yet. We're not all done yet. Almost. There we go. Yay! Good job. And we're done. And then he's usually pretty worn out. Like that takes a lot out of him emotionally to get that tube back in. You did a good job. Did you do a good job? I love you. You did. I love you. You did a good job. Give me 5. Give me 5. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Oh, good job. Good job. Good job. So there it is. G-tube back in. All ready to go. Good job, Kyle. Good job. Good job. That was fun, wasn't it? Here's what they look like once they come out. See how it's all discolored? That's, you know, your stomach acid just kind of eats away at that stuff and makes this balloon gets a little worn down after a while. So that's how I put a new G-tube in Kyle. He's had it since he was a month old. So I've replaced it countless times. I mean, he used to pull it out for behavioral reasons, like when he got mad or something, he would pull on it and rip it out, and it would, like, with the balloon inflated, and very traumatic. But he thankfully is past that stage, and now usually when it comes out, it's because he caught it on something, or he was pulling his shirt up and it got hung up or whatever. But happy Saturday. Happy day before Mother's Day to me. If you have no idea what a G-tube is, never heard of it before now, count yourself lucky. Count your blessings and be thankful. Have a great day, everybody.